Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. The question is 3 minus 3 times 8 divided by 3. Respected audience, we have to make two parentheses. The first parentheses will include numerator, and the second will include 7. As it is single, so we don't need to make parentheses in it. So, first parenthesis will include 3 minus 3 times 8 divided by 7. Okay, now mostly the students do that 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 times 8 is equal to 0. 0 battervitsan will be equal to 0. But remember that its answer is not 0. So first of all, according to order of operation, we have to solve multiplication according to PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS rule says that first of all, parentheses should be solved, then exponent, then multiplication and division. And here is multiplication, so we will solve multiplication first. So we will get 3 minus 3 times 8 will be equal to 24 divided by 7. Here is 3 minus 24 in the parentheses, which will be equal to minus 21 and divided by 10. Here is a simple division. We will get minus 21 divided by 7. So we will get minus 3, which will be our answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.